Good morning everyone and welcome back to the Alchemy tutorial class. Today we will be learning multiplication of 3-digit number with 1-digit number. How? We will do with grouping and without grouping. You have heard that word grouping even in the addition and even in the subtraction. We did the grouping and the sums without regrouping. So today even multiplication we will learn by grouping and without grouping. So let us start the multiplication. See, I have written a number 124 into 2. 124 is a 3-digit number. We will multiply this 3-digit number with a single 1-digit number. Is it clear? So let's write in the column form 124 into 2. Now what we do is we always start multiplying with the ones column. We always start with the ones column. What we do is we multiply this 2. We multiply this 2 first with the ones column. Then we multiply this 2 with the tens column. And then we multiply this 2 with the hundreds column. So let us start with the ones column. So what is 2 into 4? 2 into 4 is what? We all know the table of 2. So 2 into 4 is what? 8. 2 4s are 8. So your ones column is already completed. Because 2 into 4 is 8. You have written 8. Now what we do is we multiply this 2 with the tens column. What do we have in the tens column? We have a digit 2. So 2 into 2 is what? 2 2s are 4. Yes, this is what we have learned in the tables. Now we multiply this 2 with the hundreds column. Hundreds column, what we have? We have 1. So 2 into 1 is what? 2 1s are is 2. So your answer is 248. Did we group anything in this? No. We simply multiplied with the ones, with the tens and with the hundreds, and there was no grouping. So this is a kind of a multiplication without grouping. Is it clear? We do not regroup the numbers out here. Now let's switch on to the next sum. See, 123 into 5. Let us write in the column form 123 into 5. Clear? Now again same way we start with the ones column. We multiply this 5 with 3. 5 3s are is what? According to the table, 5 3s are is 15. But this is a 2-digit number. Can we write 2-digit number out here? No. We can write only 1-digit number. So this is 15 ones. How can this 15 ones can be written? You remember in the addition and subtraction how we divided? 15 1 means what? 15 1 means 1 tens and 5 ones. So where we put this 5 ones? We put this 5 ones out here and we carry over what? We carry over this 1 in the tens column. Is it clear? Now let us start with the tens column. Ones column we have already finished. Now let's multiply this 5 and the 2 tens. 5 2s are is 10. 5 into 2 is what? 5 into 2 is 10. We have 10. But there is one carryover out here. So when we add this carryover, we get 11 tens. How can this 11 tens be written as? 11 tens can be written as 101 tens. So where we write this one? We write this one out here and we carry this one in the hundreds column. Is it clear to you? We have done this in a addition and subtraction also, how we group it. Now let's move on to the hundreds column. We multiply this 5 with the 100th digit 1. So 5 into 1 is what? 5. And 5 plus 1 is what? 5 plus 1 is 6. So what is the answer you got? The answer you got is 6, 1, 5. What you had regrouped? You had regrouped this 10 and 1s. Even in this 11, 10, you have regrouped into 100 and 1 tens. Is it clear? This is the way how we multiply when there is any regrouping. Suppose they are 2-digit number, how we carry over 1 to the tens place and how we write in the ones place. Is it clear to you? I hope this grouping and regrouping of the 3-digit number is clear with you. I have a small video for you. Just watch the video and we'll meet in the next class. Thank you.
Partial products. Bottle. Pennies. How do you multiply larger numbers? Think about this question during the lesson. The small bottle has 264 pennies. Juan guessed that the large bottle had 3 times as many pennies as the small bottle. About how many pennies are in the large bottle? Let's find out. Juan multiplied to find 3 times as many. Why is it important to know the number of pennies in the small bottle? To calculate Juan's guess, you need to know both factors. What do you do first when multiplying 264 by 3? The first step is to multiply the ones and regroup if needed. Why do you regroup 12 ones? 3 times 4 is 12, so record 2 ones and regroup 1 10. What do you do next? You multiply the tens. Add any extra tens and regroup if needed. Is there an 11 above 264? No, there is 1 regrouped 10 and 1 regrouped 100. Now multiply the hundreds. Add any extra hundreds. There are about 792 pennies in the large bottle. How many partial products will there be if you multiply by finding partial products? There are 3 partial products. Now you know how to multiply 3-digit by 1-digit numbers. Try multiplying the numbers 157 and 8.